Good morning and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. We're taking a look at a 2015 Great Dane 48 by 102 with a universal mounting kit on the back. This trailer is in excellent condition, steel wood. Wood is in excellent condition. Beam structure underneath in excellent condition. It's been turbo blasted, primed, and repainted. The kingpin plate has been replaced. As we come down here to the passenger side, we have a brand new buyer's toolbox for you. Sliding air ride suspension, brand new rubber all the way around, steel refurbed outer rim, universal mounting kit, carries Moffett, Princeton, Loadmac, and many other brands. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. You can look at our available Moffett, Princeton, Loadmac, and many other brands available. Give us a call, 260-238-4998. We can help you walk through, take a look at different options for you. 80% to new brakes on this unit, brand new rubber all the way around. As you can see how clean it is, brand new straps, refurbed ratchets. The landing gear's been checked and verified. 74,000 GVW on this trailer. 2015 Great Dane 48 by 102. Give us a call, 260-238-4998. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com.